Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Globe. Cryptocurrency market fell after billionaire Elon Musk said Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin due to its high environmental cost. The price of Cardano ADA, the world's fifth most valuable token, soared, as crypto traders rushed to buy the token that promises to be much less carbon intensive as an alternative. Investing.com's senior analyst Jesse Cohen pointed to Cardano ADA and Ripple's XRP that these two cryptocurrencies have more sustainable environmental costs than Bitcoin due to their less intensive mining and transaction networks. In a Thursday morning email to Jesse, Musk said that he will look for Bitcoin alternatives that consume less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. Following his post, investors who had moved their money out of the BTC looked for new environmentally friendly cryptos. Cardano is one such cryptocurrency that utilizes a fraction of the energy that Bitcoin and Ethereum do. ADA is still a work in progress, and it is constantly working to improve its services. The project's native cryptocurrency ADA is one of the greenest and most eco-friendly digital assets. According to Charles Hoskinson, the project's founder, he went on to say that if Tesla is serious about environmental sustainability, it should choose ADA. Charles Hoskinson discussed the advantages of his proof-of-stake blockchain platform, Cardano, in an interview with Lex Friedman. In comparison to its competitors, the POS system consumes significantly less energy, according to him. Furthermore, he believes Cardano and its native digital asset should be the first choice for Elon Musk's massive electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla. Hoskinson said if they truly care about alternative energy, sustainability, carbon reduction and carbon neutrality, you can't be in a system where there is no built-in mechanism to constrain the energy consumption. Tesla, as an alternative energy company, should instead focus on the greenest cryptocurrencies such as ADA rather than the high-energy consuming Bitcoin, according to Hoskinson. Apart from the environmental damage it produces, the printable digital asset, according to Cardano's founder, lacks a number of additional qualities. Cardano claims that its alternative proof-of-stake consensus process is far more energy efficient since it chooses a certain user to validate blocks depending on who has the most invested in a certain protocol, avoiding most of the energy-intensive competition. Which method is more secure is still a source of debate. Cardano appears to have finally caught Elon Musk's attention. He earlier updated his Twitter profile image to a fork literally stabbed into a road with the bio metaphor. This appears to be a reference to the mainnet deployment's merry hard fork. Cutout as founder Charles Hoskinson is sure that this is the case. On the other hand, while Musk and his tweets attract SEC scrutiny, he also attracts a lot of interest from potential crypto investors, all eyes and now on Cardano as a result of him. Cardano being born out of proper research and a wide team of talented individuals, there is also the Cardano community. The Cardano community sources say it is one powerful community. In fact, according to studies, ADA has one of the strongest, most loyal communities in the crypto space. Many people believe that Cardano has been able to gain the kind of popularity it currently has all thanks to his community. Not only that, this set community might be the driving force behind Cardano's trading price, based on the information we've gathered. According to the analysis, now that Cardano is nearing the golden era, with the launch of smart contracts which we've been mentioning, and that institutions are finally beginning to notice it, the coin remains in the spotlight with many promising rewards. Presently, people are expecting Cardano to have a really strong smart contract ecosystem. Analysis believes that there have been some upgrades in the ADA network to make the integration of smart contracts possible. These upgrades, they say, will not only make it possible to integrate smart contracts, but also increase the price of the ADA. Now, what are some of these upgrades that we might be expecting to see when they update the ADA network? The founder of ADA, Charles Hoskinson, recently revealed that Cardano is going to be publishing an algorithmic stablecoin paper in a few weeks. He said that the purpose of the stablecoin project is to ensure users pay their transaction costs with the native tokens which they trade with. According to him, if a user needs to exchange stablecoins and other assets on the Cardano blockchain, the user will not need ADA in his wallet to do that. This project could fuel Cardano on its way to exploding in the crypto space, because compared to another crypto like Ether, the user would need Ethereum in their wallet to be able to pay the transaction costs. If Cardano is able to do this, users will be able to pay their transaction costs, in an asset that they already have in their wallet, not necessarily ADA. If anything, this might help users have a better experience with stablecoin trading, lending, and yield farming, and that is one feature you most likely won't find with many cryptocurrencies. A few months back, Cardano partnered with the Ministry of Education of Ethiopia to work on a blockchain-based national ID and attainment recording system. It was referred to as the world's largest blockchain deployment, said to be able to roll out about 5 million students in Africa. In a tweet, it was stated that the system should enable the creation of secure records of educational performance for 3,500 schools, 5 million students and 750,000 teachers, giving all pupils verifiable digital qualifications, increasing social mobility, and allowing lesson planning and attainment monitoring. According to IOHK, blockchain can be beneficial to developing countries, which might be one of the reasons why this particular project has Africa as its focal audience. IOHK's African Operations Director John O'Connor had said after 5 years of Cardano is now mature enough to underpin a blockchain solution which can scale to serve an entire national population. This project could light the touch paper for a wave of third-generation blockchain innovation across Africa and the developing world, bringing vital services to those who have previously been cut off from them. Analysis said that Cardano would hit an $8 to $10 price target by the end of this current bull cycle, towards the end of 2021 into early 2022. Although many people argue that it's such a short time, no one really knows what's going to happen in the next 5 years. For now, Cardano has one of the largest market caps, and despite the frequent price drops, Cardano's value has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years. Moreover, Cardano has several supporters who believe in its long-term potential, coupled with the fact that the coin is likely to reach greater heights, especially considering the smart contracts they're looking to make available on the blockchain. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification so that you won't miss a single video we upload. Thank you for watching till the end. Good luck and happy investing.